Hey, what's up, guys? It's Movie War here, back for Blu-ray 4K Tuesday. Now, today's unboxing will be for the newest release. This is one of the best movies of 2025. And that is for Wicked for Good, the sequel to part 1. And this is a phenomenal movie and a masterpiece. It has won some Oscars, awards, and nominations. And I think this one is way better than the first one. So it includes 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital HD. It includes both the theatrical version and the sing-along version. And this is a very nice glossy matte finished slipcover. So there's the front, spine, back, if you want to read details and special features. Okay, disc 1, Blu-ray, disc 2, 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Wicked for Good on 4K. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. It's comments below letting me know what's your favorite Wizard of Oz film, and what are your thoughts on this epic masterpiece. Thank you.